Recovered a 17i file from an old DOS computer and need to access the spreadsheet data? This is from Quattro Pro, the legacy DOS spreadsheet application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Quattro Pro spreadsheet files. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single, sophisticated 1.7i file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. A 1.7i file is a spreadsheet created by Quattro Pro for MS-DOS, a popular spreadsheet application from the late 1980s and early 1990s. Users typically encounter these legacy files when trying to access or convert old financial records, data sets, or business reports from that era into modern formats. The 1.7i format is a proprietary binary structure designed by Borland for high performance on MS-DOS systems with limited memory. It stores cell data, formulas, formatting, and macros in a compact, non-human-readable format, optimized for rapid loading and calculation within the Quattro Pro environment. Technically, the best program for 1.7i is usually Quattro Pro for DOS from Borland. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows may detect the file, but interacting with data or formulas requires Office tools. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your 1.7i file and select Open With. Test Quattro Pro for DOS if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. If the 1.7i file won't open, don't panic. The universal solution is coming. But first, the explanation. Here's the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the 1.7i file. First, opening in modern Quattro Pro. Install Corel Quattro Pro available as part of WordPerfect Office. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the 17i file. Modern Quattro Pro retains backward compatibility with legacy DOS spreadsheet files, preserving formulas, formatting, and data for current use. Next, converting with LibreOffice. LibreOffice Calc may read older Quattro Pro files. Open Calc and use File. Then open selecting your 17i file with All Files filter. If recognized, Calc imports the spreadsheet, allowing save in modern formats like ODS or XLSX. Manual cleanup may be needed for complex formulas or formatting. Finally, using DOS emulation. Run the original Quattro Pro for DOS in a DOS emulator like DOSBox. Install Quattro Pro within the emulator and open your 17i file. While unconventional, this approach provides authentic compatibility with the original application for accessing complex legacy spreadsheets requiring exact original behavior. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.